Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube? Which platform should you use to reach your customers? Now, there's no point wasting time promoting your brand or product on one platform when your customers just aren't very active there and they're all the way over on another platform. So in this video, I'll show you how to identify the right place to promote your product using Mandala. Now, what we really need to find is which social platforms do people talk about your products on. So let's say, for example, I have a small business specializing in vegan plant-based burgers. So I'm using these keywords, and Mandala has gathered from these social media networks for me to take a look at and analyze. Now, straight away, we can see there's lots of mentions on Twitter, meaning that people are talking about these keywords on Twitter. One great feature of Mandala is the sentiment analysis. So I can see both negative and positive sentiment mentions and how much engagement those mentions are getting day by day. And it's interesting to see what kind of conversations are happening on Twitter about burgers. But hopping over to YouTube, I'm going to set the data aspect to engagement or video views, because what I really want to know is which videos are getting the most amount of views. Now, as you can see, YouTube is by far the most popular in terms of engagement. Clicking on top channels, and we can do that with Twitter and the other platforms as well, but this shows us the channels on YouTube that are getting the highest number of views for videos that feature our keywords about burgers. Now, let's be more specific with the mentions and the kind of mentions I'd like to see. So I'm going to go to my keywords at the top here and just click on vegetarian burger and vegan burger keywords. Now, this will really narrow down the results that I get and the number of mentions that I get, but they're going to be much more specific to those keywords. As you can see, it's still YouTube and Twitter are by far the most popular. And going down, you can see I have a different set of top channels now, much more focused on the vegan and vegetarian style of burgers and food. From what I've seen here, food channels and content about food is really popular on YouTube, much more than the other social media channels. I can see the kinds of videos and their presentation and the content that really resonates with people, and I can even see the influencers who get views. So I might choose to emulate this kind of content, or just get inspiration, or even contact someone for a partnership. Twitter is also a platform where a lot of people are having conversations about vegan and vegetarian burgers. This is my target audience, and so a well-planned Twitter campaign based on the data I can analyze here is definitely going to be effective. So in just a couple of short minutes, using Mandala, I can confidently start planning how to best reach and engage my customers, knowing that my strategy is based on real data and rather than just guessing and trying things out. So now that you can see just how easy it is to find the right place to promote your products, why not give it a try yourself? Try Mandala free for 7 days. Just go to mandalasystem.com, or you can get in touch with customer service via email at sales@mandalasystem.com, and you can check out more videos and tutorials on how to use Mandala in the Mandala Academy. See you next time.